and this is called the Cayman Bronzer. Everything is linked down below if you guys are interested in anything that I'm using, my brushes, my makeup, anything. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hello. My name is Leah, and today we are going to do something that has been totally requested. We are going to do a full glam makeup look, and one of my subscribers had a really fun idea. We're just going to do half the face. We're going to show you the power of makeup, and we're just going to do half our face in a glam look. But keep in mind, it is a very big deal for me, so this is going to be a little bit of my version of a glam look. So let's just go ahead and get started into the video. Alright, for starters, I always do my mascara first. If you haven't watched any of my videos, you need to go watch those. And then I always do my mascara first because it's the messiest thing that I always do. So I always do it first, I let it dry, and then I clean up my eyelid. So I'm going to use the Superhero Mascara by It Cosmetics. And I'm going to put this on really quick, and I will be right back. Okay, so mascara is on, and for a girl who never wears false lashes, this trick of putting your mascara on first definitely comes in handy later in the routine. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to use my favorite products every time I have an event I have to go to or I have to dress up. These are some of my favorite products that work really well with my makeup. I'm going to use the Long Wear Primer from Unicorn Glow. And it looks like this, and I had got this in my Ipsy bag. Shout out to Ipsy. And this is the best primer I have ever used for cream makeup. It looks like this. There's like, it's almost like a lotion almost, and it doesn't separate the makeup. So I think what we'll do is I'll do the left side of my face. I think it might be the right side for you guys, but my left side of my face will do a half face of glam makeup. Keep in mind, it's probably going to be more of a soft glam glowy look, so we're going to go ahead and apply this to the face. When I wore this primer for an event, it literally lasted all day. I had to work and then I had to go to an event afterwards, so I kept this on and then I just kind of touched up my makeup after work, and oh my goodness, it stayed on all day. Nothing budged. It was so good. I need to order a bigger bottle of this because I just love it so much. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I love this one, you guys. If you go watch my other makeup videos, I use this almost every day. Look, it's almost out. Like, I use this every single day. I love it. It's the best. I need to try the matte one. If you guys have tried the matte one, let me know in the comments and how it compares to the regular original one. Okay, so today's brush is gonna be the Buffy brush by Maskcara Beauty. This is very good for full coverage. Here is my makeup palette from Maskcara Beauty. Here is the top of my highlight colors, my contour colors, and my blush colors over here. This one's gonna be my color corrector. So we're gonna go ahead and dip into, it's always backwards. We're gonna dip into this one, and we are going to color correct all over the face, well, half the face, and really get that full coverage look. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and dip into our highlight color. We're gonna use this color right here. The one in the middle is called Candlelit, and I'm gonna do the big dent in on the Buffy brush. And we're just going to stipple this into the face, just a little bit of layers at a time. Maybe I can cover half my face with my hair, and then you guys can wait till the end. Usually I don't ever go full coverage. I'm more of natural. I like to see my skin coming through. This brush is just so packed, and it really presses it into the skin really nicely. And then I'm gonna go ahead and dip into this highlight right here. This one's called Linen, and we're just gonna use it to brighten up under the eyes. I'm going to do the one little dab into the thing and just go up the nose. And then I'm going to do it on the chin, a little bit on the forehead. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and flip the brush over. We're going to contour on this other end. I'm gonna dip into this contour right here. This one's called Ash, and we're gonna go ahead and do the cheeks. So I'm gonna contour the forehead just a little bit with this cream products. There are no mistakes. You can fix them easily. Everything is cream. It looks so nice and flawless. Now I'm gonna go ahead and dip into this blush. This blush right here is nude. I'm gonna go ahead and use my fingers for this. Dab it on my cheek. It's gonna be a very soft, subtle look. Now we're gonna take our perfector sponge and blend the whole face together. So we have our highlight, a second highlight for our brightener, our contour, and our blush, and we're just gonna blend everything together because everything is a cream product. So now you guys can see the soft glam look. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a different brush. We're gonna use this B squared brush from Maskcara Beauty. I love this one. And we're gonna use, let's use the Infallible Pro Sweep Lock. I love this. Since we're doing a glam look, we're gonna go ahead and bake. I do not have a whole lot of product in here. With the primer that I use and this powder and baking, nothing moves. It is absolutely so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a different sponge. I have a Real Technique sponge sitting here, so I'm gonna use this one instead of the one I had. I'm just gonna dip it in like this, just a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and bake under the eyes, do it on the eyelid, and then we might as well just put it right here, just everywhere, everywhere. And then we can kind of, so that's kind of how I bake. There's really no wrong way to do this. And if you're telling people there's a wrong way to do it, you know, who cares? So this is how I would bake. And then what I normally would do is I'll go ahead and do my eyebrows. And then I'm gonna use this Professional Makeup from NYX Precision Brow Pencil, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows on this side, and I still like to keep them pretty natural. So I'm gonna do my brows really quick while we let the face bake. There we go. Then our brows are on. Now that's kind of long enough for me, so I'm gonna go ahead, grab my powder brush, and just kind of slightly brush away the powder. Kind of press it into the skin and swipe it away at the same time. So then our next step is my favorite. We're gonna do bronzer and illuminator. And I have a little bit left in my compact down here. I just like to use the rest of it. So I'm gonna dip it into this guy. And this is called the Cayman Bronzer. Everything is linked down below if you guys are interested in anything that I'm using, my brushes, my makeup, anything. So I have it on my brush, the little product that I can get on there, and we're just going to contour the face over here, across the forehead, and then I stipple it on my cheek to give me a nice glow, and I'll do the sides of my nose for almost like a contour effect. Next we're gonna go in with illuminator. You guys, I hit pan and I keep going. You can get every product out of this. Look how much illuminator I have left. This is what we're doing. This one is called Starlit, and this is the brush. This is the BBF brush. It's so fluffy. I absolutely love this one. And we're gonna get every angle of this product because we need to. It's so good, and we are gonna glam this up. We're gonna tap it on the nose. Oh yeah. Okay, so then I'm gonna flip it over to this side, and we're gonna do the end of it for eyeshadow. There we go. We're gonna do the end of it for eyeshadow, and I'm gonna go ahead and dip into this guy right here. This one's Pup. The second color I'm going in is Basic. Then I'm gonna go in this one right here. This is Bubba, and we're gonna put it in the crease. Now I'm gonna go ahead and dip into this one right here. This is Sabrina. Same brush, and we're gonna do the inner corners of my eye, and then I'm gonna go under the brow bone. Now we're gonna have some fun with glitter. This is my absolute favorite shimmer color. This right here is Soulmate, and we're just gonna dip our finger in here. You get more product when you put it on your finger, this guy, and we're just going to apply it to the lid to give some shimmer. Okay, so the last thing, it looks like our mascara kind of disappeared, but it's still there, and we just have more powder on it, which when you put mascara on for the second time, your lashes are going to be even longer because you have some powder on there. So I'm going to add my mascara really quick, and we are almost finished with our look. Alright, I think we are done, and don't forget to add your favorite lip color. And you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and use this blush color for your lips and cheeks, and it's called Nude, and we are just gonna go ahead and put it on half of our lips. So there you go. Okay, keep in mind, this is my version of glam. I'm not a beauty guru. I just really love makeup, and I love doing makeup challenges, and this was requested. So if you're like, no, you need to do this or you need to do this, that's all right. This is usually what I do, and I can't stand my hair being in front of my eyes. So what I'm gonna do is, I think I'll clean up the face, and we'll do like half the face a little bit, and then we're gonna do a final look. So here is our Glam full coverage with Maskcara Beauty. We have cream products, highlight, contour, blush, look at that illuminator. Then we did some eyeshadow, we did our brows, and here is the other side. Can you guys, let's zoom in. So here is very clean, very flawless, nice and smooth. And this is what it was before. Look at this hot mess. Look at this mess. So that is all. So what do you guys think? Do you guys want to see a full makeup video using just this one brush? Which I have multiple videos of using one brush for a full face. This one is the best brush to use for full coverage. I love this brush. I haven't used it in a while because I don't normally do full coverage, but this video is telling me that I need to use it again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I have some hair videos coming up and a big surprise reveal probably coming up in the next few weeks. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!